If you have had an abnormal semen analysis result back, your doctor may require you to have further testing. One of these could be a DNA sperm fragmentation test. In this, the DNA itself of your sperm is studied in genetic testing to see if the DNA is intact or if it is fragmenting, breaking up. Obviously, when the DNA is breaking up, it can cause issues in fertilization or in embryo development. In recent years, the percentage of men presenting DNA fragmentation in their sperm has increased, and these can be due to factors such as environmental toxins, poor lifestyle habits, smoking, drinking, and so on. Men who present a sperm DNA fragmentation rate of over 30% should be looking at assisted reproduction treatments to have children.